Okay, it's not easy, parents, see, but still, they're so patient. They've learned that quality of patience in their nursery. So it's because of that we could hold them for so long. Don't you think so? At home, are they quiet? No. How many parents feel they're quiet at home? I don't see any hands.
Okay, na? Okay.
Finger, finger. Is it okay?
Like
Okay, the next child who I'm going to call. Okay, she's very good in academics. She's got extreme concentration levels. But you know what? She's the teacher's pet. She's the teacher's assistant. She helps the teacher. You know, she keeps everything ready for her teacher. When she walks into the class, the what marker, the chalk, the room, everything neat. She makes sure everything is neat. And it's none other than Sia Patel. I welcome Sia Patel on the stage. Each child has one quality. This girl, she's very good in drawing and art, apart from academics. She's none other than Spandana. Spandana, come over. Please, children. Okay, this boy is like, you know Tom and Jerry? You know Tom and Jerry, we call him Jerry. He's tiny and sweet and he's so bubbly, he's so active in the class. The moment you see him here, the next moment he's there. He runs a lot. He has lots of smile on his face and of course he's good in academics as well. I welcome Veera Karthikeshwar. Look at our graduates, oh my god. We don't know what will happen when they're in their graduation, but from our school they're graduating their UKG. Okay, next. He is also good in academics, but one quality of him is he's an absent-minded professor. He forgets his work, his tiffin box, everything, and every day the teacher has to remind. Okay, let's welcome Kamal. Kamal Kushwant. Okay, these are our 5 children who are going to graduate this year. Now I take the privilege to welcome Mrs. Sumana to come on to the stage and give them the graduation certificate.
So good luck to all our UKG PP2 kids who are going out of a school. So we're going to miss them. And this is the second batch who's going out of a school. So I wish them all the best in the future. Thank you.
Thank you, Sumana. Okay, will you say your name? I request.
Hey, look at here.
Hosting till now. For some time, I want to get into the academic stuff. Well, all of you must be aware of the phonics program we have in school. The kids undergo. Right? I'm going to talk a few words about phonics. And we want to show you how kids read with the help of phonics and how it is useful for us. Okay. Actually, the reason why we have phonics is, when you take any language other than English, with Telugu, Hindi, whatever language, what you say and what you write is one and the same. You write the letter A, you say A. But whereas in phonics, it's not that. You teach them A, B, C, D, but when you read the word, that particular word, you don't say apple, you say apple. So there is a separate sound for every letter. So that's the reason we have introduced phonics from the nursery level so that the kids can learn how to read. See, all of a sudden, I'm sure you must be having elder children who are like their siblings who are in first and second grade. They must be having some problems in reading. The reason is, if they would have got that phonics knowledge in their primary age, they'll understand the sounds of the letters, and once they come to the first class, definitely they'll be able to read better. So now I request Priyanka. She teaches phonics for nursery and PP1. to come on to the stage and make them. At nursery stage we have rhymes. At PP1 stage we have blending of 3 letters. At PP2 stage 4 and 5 letters. Now I'm going to ask these children few letters. They need to recognize these letters. And they have to sing the phonic songs for that. See here. Children, which letter is this?
B. Bring up in the
Very good. Now who can tell me? Can you tell me which letter is this? Sing the song.
Bella, play, play, oh my God, da da da, da 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 da.
Now who can tell me which letter is this? Sing the song for it.
Ah. I like that. Akka, Santa. I like to lick lollipop.
In the form of rhyme. They are in a very playful mood. So they were trying to tell you the sounds with the help of rhyme. Read properly. Good. Read this word.
S-A-T.
Very good, kids.
커피 한 잔에 여유 아는 품격 있는 여자